Hey, home cooks! Ever feel like you spend more time deciding what to cook than actually cooking? Well, I've got the solution for you. Blue Apron, a subscription meal kit service that delivers fresh ingredients right to your door. And guess what? You can get a special discount today by clicking the link in the description below. So, why is Blue Apron the bee's knees? Let's dive in. First off, it's super convenient. Imagine, no more wandering aimlessly in the grocery store aisles, because let's face it, we've all been there, right? Trying to find that one elusive ingredient while your stomach growls louder than a thunderstorm. With Blue Apron, you get pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes. It's like having a personal chef, but without the hefty price tag. Plus, they have a variety of meal options. Whether you're a carnivore, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, they've got you covered. And here's the kicker. You can try it with a sweet discount. Just click the link in the description below to get your Blue Apron promo code. That means more delicious meals for less cash. Talk about a win-win. Now, you might be wondering, is the food any good? Oh, you bet it is. Picture this: seared steak with roasted veggies, creamy pasta with fresh herbs, or even a zesty tofu stir-fry. Your taste buds will thank you. And it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Cooking with Blue Apron is fun and stress-free. Perfect for date night, family dinners, or even a solo culinary adventure. Plus, you'll learn some new cooking skills along the way. Who knows? You might just become the next top chef in your kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description below, grab your Blue Apron promo code, and start cooking up a storm. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, home cooks, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy cooking! See you next time!